Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and in this video I want to show you how you can start making money online consistently each time that somebody repairs or fixes their phone. Okay, I want to believe you know somebody that uses Infinix phone, you know somebody that uses IETEL, or somebody that uses Techno phone. Okay, now the process is very simple for you to start earning money online. All you just need to do is to show them where they will get their phone fixed. Okay, in a very timely manner. They'll get their phone fixed in a professional manner, and they will get their phone fixed at a very cheap, affordable rate. Okay. And all you just need to do is just to sit back and you'll be paid by the company. You'll be paid a referral commission by the company. Okay. Now, a whole lot of guys are doing this already, and they are churning out a whole lot of profit from this particular business. Okay. So now, if this sounds like something that is interesting to you, I just want you to stick with me on this video as I dive into my system, and I'll show you the step by step that you need to take for you to start earning money consistently. Okay, now let's go.
Yeah, so hello guys. Like I rightly told you from the intro of this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money each time somebody that you knows repairs their phone. Okay. Um, Assuming you know somebody in your environment, it could be your friend, your relative, your colleague, your church member. If that person has Techno phone, Infinix phone, or ITEL, then I want to give you the assurance that this will be your best and easiest way to make money. Okay, now how do you make money through this particular app and program that I'm talking about? You make money each time they repair any part of their phone. If any of their phone, be it ITEL, Infinix, or Techno, is faulty, you make money if you show them where they will go and get the phone repaired at a cheaper rate, okay, and also faster. Okay, now what you do is this: you don't even need to do anything. The only thing you need to do is just to give them your link. You know, we are in the modern age, everything is being done online now. If you've never made money online, this is your first time and the easiest way for you to make your first be it dollar or naira online. Okay, all you need to do is just to give them a link. Copy a link I'm going to show you in this app and give them that link. Then they register their phone. Okay, they go drop their phone in this particular phone care center. The phone is being repaired for them at a cheaper rate, and all you need is just to sit back and you take should I say profit? Yes, you take your commission. The company is going to pay you for each person you refer to them to repair their phone. Okay, so let's get started. What you do is this: you just go to the app store. You go to the app store. Let me go to the app store and show you. When you go to the app store, go download this particular app. You can see it is called CARLCARE. Okay, just search for CARLCARE on the Android app. Okay, I think it's on the Apple store. So just download this app, then you open it. Okay, now when you open it, it's going to bring you to this interface. Now when it brings you to this interface, you're going to see where it says make money here. Okay, you can see it says make money here, right? Make money. Then you click on this make money. Just click on it. So it is going to bring you to this interface. Like I rightly told you, all you need to do here is just to copy a link that I'm going to show you here, give it to whoever that wants to repair their phone. And by the time they repair their phone with this company, this CARLCARE company, you will be paid. And the beauty of this company is that they are very fast in repairing phone. They are official partner, technical partner with Techno, with Infinix, and with ITEL. Okay, and their rate is very cheap. So this is one of the reasons why you should refer people to this particular company. They are very secure, they are very professional, their rate is very cheap, and at the same time they pay you for referring people to them. Okay, so when you get to this interface of this particular app, what you need to do is this. What you can see what they wrote here. They say take a careful look around, invite the people in need, okay, of Techno, Infinix, ITEL users to repair on CARLCARE. For every successful repair, you will get paid. Like I rightly told you, if your friend, your relative, or whoever you refer to them get their phone repaired, you will get paid. Okay. Now you might want to ask, what is the process of you getting of doing this? how to do. They say let the people in need book via your exclusive link. Okay, like I rightly told you, all the persons need to do is just to book for a repair through your own link. So how do you get the link, you might want to ask. You just come down here, you can see where it says get exclusive link. Okay, then you click on this exclusive link. You can see the link here. You copy this link. Okay, now when you copy this link, all you need to do is just to take this link, give it to whoever that wants to repair their phone. Okay, let me just practicalize it for you. Now I'm going to go to my browser. Okay, this is my browser. Then I'm going to paste the link here. Let me paste the link here. Okay, you can see the link here, right? Then I'm going to click on the link. When I click on the link, whoever you're going to give the link to, when the person clicks on the link, it's going to bring that person to this particular interface. Okay, so what the person needs to do is this. The person just needs to click on this particular choose device model. The person is going to click here. Let's assume the person wants to repair Techno. The person is going to click. You can see they have three, like I rightly told you, they have three model of phone here: Techno, Infinix, and IETEL, right? Then the person is going to click on, let's assume Techno. The person is going to click on Techno. Okay, the person is going to click on Techno. The person is going to click on Techno. You can see different kinds of Techno here. Let's say if it's Infinix, you can see different kinds of Infinix here. If it is ITEL, the person is going to click on ITEL. You can see different model of ITEL here, right? Okay, let's go to this ITEL A11, right? When you click on this ITEL A11, when you click on that ITEL A11, the person is going to describe what is the problem of the phone here, okay? In details, let's just say the phone charging port is faulty. Okay, you can understand. This is what the person is just going to feel here. Then the person is going to come down here. It says service store. They have CARLCARE actually have service store all over, so you don't even need to. The person doesn't even really need to go far to get a service store. So the person is going to click here. Because of where I am presently, automatically the system, the app is going to get you CARLCARE service store that is actually closer to you. Okay, so for me, you can see it says it shows me the recommended one for me, so I'm going to choose this one. But you can choose, you can just go through and check which one is closer to you. But definitely there's a CARLCARE shop or service store that is closer to you. Then I'm going to choose this top one here. Okay, you can see I've chosen the top one there. So he's going to ask you to choose reservation time. You can see different reservation time. What does that mean? It's saying the time that you think will be free for you to bring the phone to the service care center. Okay, you can choose the date from here. Then you can choose the time you feel you will bring it here. Okay, for me, let me just choose this 21st. I'm going to choose this. Then I'm going to choose 1 p.m. Right, I'm going to choose 1 p.m. and I click OK. Right, you can see this is just it. Then your personal information, they will ask you for your personal information, so you can just give them your phone or something, right? You can just put your phone number or something over there. Okay, I've just impute mine there. Okay, then you put your phone number here, you put your phone number over here, right? You put your phone number here. Now, when you put your phone number here, all the person needs to do is just to click on submit, right? Now, when the person click on submit, the work is done. All you just need to do is just to wait. As soon as the person's phone is repaired, okay, you will be paid. Now, you ask me, when you always, because you have this app already on your phone, you always check here, down here where it says earning. You can see current earning, right? Now, when the person's phone is repaired, you will be paid 200 naira. Without you doing anything, you'll be paid 200 naira. So you now assume that, let's assume you introduce like 10, 15 persons to them. Okay, they'll be, each person you introduce to them, they'll pay you 200 naira. Now, each time the person, after the first time, each time the person goes to repair his or her phone there, you will still be paid. They'll still be paying you. Okay, aside the first time they're going to pay you, each time the person goes there to repair phone, they'll keep paying you, provided the person goes to repair the phone with your link the person book for a reservation with your link, you'll be paid. Now, on the 25th to on the 30th of every month, that is when CARLCARE actually pays money out to their affiliate. Okay, so from the 25th to the 30th, you always get your money credited into your bank account, right? So you can see over here, you will see the details. You will see the details of the numbers of persons you refer to them. You will see your current earning will be here, your receive amount will be here, then your account balance is here. Like I rightly told you, on the 25th to on the 30th of every month, they will credit your account. So if you have money here, okay, if you have current earning here, all you just need to do is just to click on this withdraw income. When you click on this withdraw income, it gives you the opportunity where you put your bank account and the money will be automatically credited into your bank account. You can see that is how easy it is for you to make money online. If you've never made money online, this is a very great opportunity for you to kickstart your journey of making money online. Okay, now you don't need to spend anything here. All you just need to do is to tell people about where they can repair their phone. Okay, as soon as their phone is repaired, you get paid, right? So now I want to believe you got value from this video. Just give this video a thumbs up, give it a like so that others will get to see it. And also remember to subscribe to this channel. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and also click that notification bell so that when next I post other valuable videos like this, you get to be the first to see it. Okay, thank you for taking your time.